Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, New Palestine, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move is more than 50 miles away from your current address. You will face various ways you do not seek professional assistance to move long distances. However, with us in charge of your long-distance move, you don't have to worry about anything. We transport all your possessions to your new address on time. Whether you're moving within or outside the state, your long-distance move is in capable hands. Our movers are experts. We help you sort through your possessions and gently pack them into the vehicles. Our moving trucks transport heavy objects rapidly across great distances. Our drivers are well trained and have a great deal of experience. Our local moving services are also the most affordable in the market. We have hourly rates as low as $30 to $40 per hour, and our local moving service in New Palestine, Indiana is the best. Our local relocations are the quickest and least expensive. We are the ideal choice if you need to relocate or require movers who can complete the job in a short amount of time. We know all the city's fastest routes and are always on time. In addition to local and long distance moving, our New Palestine moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.